Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how you can download ChatGPT response history in different kind of a format. Like why it is required because as many of you are using the ChatGPT, it is giving a really great response. That is the power of AI we are enjoying right now. But what if you want that particular response to be stored locally or on your cloud platform, like for the historical purpose, right? So here is a way that how you can extract that um, history of your chat GPT response in the PDF, PNG and the shareable link format. So it's very easy to do it. Like you need a Chrome extension and you can just head it towards this particular site, and I will share the URL over here. And after that you have to just download the Chrome extension from the GitHub. For that you just have to click on this particular link inside of this particular site. So it will redirect you to the GitHub repository where the code is actually based for that particular Chrome extension. So you have to download this particular Chrome extension, right? You can just click on the download zip. It will download the latest code base of this particular ChatGPT PDF PNG extracting Chrome extension. Once you download it, you have to just navigate to your the Chrome extensions, Chrome colon double forward slash extensions on your Chrome web browser, or if you are using a Firefox, you can do it that also. So now the extension is already downloaded at my side. You can see over here this extension is already downloaded. I want to install this extension. As this is not a verified Chrome extension, you have to just enable the developer mode on. Once the developer mode is on, you have to just click on the load package. Then you have to go to the documents. Here you have to select the ChatGPT PDF main. Alright, so you can see the ChatGPT download 1.3.6 version. Remember, this is the latest version. You have to get it from the GitHub the way that I told you. You have to just get it done. You just download and simply use the developer mode, upload it, and just simply enable it. Now here is the ChatGPT. I'm using this ChatGPT premium version. So I will show you how you can store that response in the PDF or PNG or the shareable link format. So I'm just gonna type some query. Let's say write code to detect face in Python. Now let's read about the code. Yeah, interesting. This is really magical thing. Like it is helping all the developers to get the bare minimum answers for their queries. Yeah. Oh wow, that's interesting. All right, guys. So the chat GPT done with its answer and the response. So I just want this particular response in the PDF or the PNG or shareable link format. So earlier you can see that after installing the extension, we got these three buttons, right? Which is actually nothing but the JavaScript. Once you click over here, it will generate the PNG image. All right, this is the PNG image. Then you can save it on the right click and use it as a historical data for you. Right, this is for the PNG, and let's download the PDF. Yeah, that's it guys. So yeah, you can see the entire response that we received from the chat GPT is now inside of the PDF. Even if you want to share the link, you can click on the share link and it will upload this particular HTML into the some Amazon AWS cloud storage, and you can simply share this link with somebody that who are looking for the uh, you know uh, your historical response. Like even if you are not having, that person is not having premium version of the chat GPT, you can easily share it. I can show you how you can easily find out. Yeah, this one, just simply you can check the URL and it's done. So in this way you can easily download the PNG of your historical data or the PDF of your chat GPT history. It's very easy, guys. Very simple. Just head it towards your this site, download the Chrome extension, the latest one from the GitHub, and it's done. So interesting stuff, guys. So let me know if you like this tutorial, and if you face any issue, you can also comment in